Today is what, Mr. Spanner?
Yeah, I want to beat this my brother here.
What's the day today?
Today is 27.
27.
Yeah.
This is 27. Yeah? So now, Mr. Spanner here, he have a new opponent today. My friend here from South Africa. Don't worry, it's the same competition, food competition. So I think today the one who's gonna win is going with 3,000 rands. So guys, this rules of this competition. You make sure you eat your food, you finish, you eat the meat. You eat your food, finish, you eat the meat. So now we count 3. 1, 2, 3. Start. Mr. Spanner. You must eat. You must eat like you are doing competition. Don't eat like you are eating in the house. Are you sure you're gonna finish this pap? Mr. Spanner there, how many pap there? Hey, it's too much. Here comes Mr. Spanner. Make sure you eat. I see Mr. Spanner, you're tired. Mr. Spanner now. Don't be fool. Don't be fool. This papa is too much. And it's hot. Make sure you eat nice.
Eat, my brother. Eat.
Make sure you eat nice. Let's chop this papa. Let's chop. Let's chop this papa. Let's chop. Let's eat this pap. Let's eat. Mr. Spanner, are you sure you're gonna finish this pap? Are you sure?
This is a small thing. Trust me. It's a small thing. I can do this.
Eat.
I can do this, big.